हॅलो सगळे. जिथे मी नेहमी शॉपिंग करते, मला कॉन्टिनेंटल काही बनवायचं असेल, मला वेगळं कुझिन काही करायचं असेल, तर जिथे मला खात्रीने प्रत्येक गोष्ट मिळते अशा शॉपमध्ये मी आली आहे, जे माझ्या घराच्या अगदी जवळ आहे. आणि मला कुठलीही वेगळी गोष्ट हवी असेल, कोणताही वेगळा इन्ग्रेडियंट हवे असेल, तर ते मला 100% या शॉपमध्ये मिळतं. आणि सगळ्यात प्लस पॉईंट ते माझ्या घराच्या जवळ आहे, द डेअरी डिलाईट. मी दाखवू तुम्हाला इथे काय काय आहे. हे आपण एंटायर मी शॉप तुमच्याबरोबर शेअर करते. इथे किती व्हरायटी आहे, किती गोष्टी आहेत, म्हणजे ऑल ओव्हर ग्लोबमधल्या प्रचंड वेगवेगळे कुझिन्सचे आपल्याला जे जे काही इन्ग्रेडियंट्स हवे असतात ते आपल्याला इथे सगळे मिळतात. ही खूप चांगली गोष्ट आहे. ह्यांच्याकडे बघितलं आपण, जिथे मी नेहमी ब्रेड घेते, खूप ब्रेडच्या वेगवेगळ्या व्हरायटी आहेत. सूप स्टिक्स आणि ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्याला ज्या ज्या लागतात त्या सगळ्या इथे आहेत. हळूहळू मी तुम्हाला दाखवते की काय काय आहे या शॉपमध्ये. इथे टी आणि कॉफीची प्रचंड व्हरायटी आहे, जी आपल्याला शक्यतो खूप कमी ठिकाणी मिळते. आणि एवढे समोर असताना आपल्याला हे सगळ्यात वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी सुचतात, पण वेगवेगळे ब्रँड कळतात. म्हणजे जगातले मॅक्झिमम ब्रँड इथे आपल्याला अवेलेबल आहे. एवढं भरपूर वाईड व्हरायटी आपल्याला इथे मिळते टी आणि कॉफीची. मी आदितसाठी बऱ्याचदा जे घेते ते सोलफुल, ह्याच्यामध्ये इतक्या प्रकारचे फ्लेवर्स आपल्याला कुठेच मिळत नाही, जे इथे मिळतात मला. भरपूर प्रकारचे नूडल्स, पास्ता यांचे ऑप्शन्स खूप आहेत इथे. आणि वेगवेगळ्या ऑफर्स इथे नेहमी सुरू असतात. आत्ता पण ह्याच्यावरती बाय 1 गेट 1 प्रत्येक पास्तावरती ऑफर सुरू आहे. मी नेहमी नेते ते म्हणजे कलरफुल पास्ता, जो आदितला खूप आवडतो. हा मला इझिली सगळीकडे मिळत नाही, जो मला इथे मिळतो. ड्रेसिंग्समध्ये भरपूर व्हरायटी आहे इथे. सॉस भरपूर व्हरायटी आहेत. म्हणजे सोया सॉसमध्ये पाहिले तरी आपण इतके ब्रँड अवेलेबल आहे इथे. आणि अशा ठिकाणी शॉपिंग करण्याची एक मजा वेगळी असते. तुम्ही एक आतून फ्रेश होता, तुम्हाला खूप छान वाटतं. कोल्ड ड्रिंक्समध्ये वाईड व्हरायटी आहे इथे. ज्यूस, फ्रूट ज्यूस, नॉर्मल, हार्शेसचे सगळे शेक आपल्याला इथे अवेलेबल आहे. प्लेचे आर्लाचे जे चीज वगैरे असतं हे लवकर आपल्याला कुठे मिळत नाही. हे सगळे ब्रँड इथे आहेत. आणि सध्या इथे बाय 1 गेट 1ची पण ऑफर आहे. आर्लावरती शक्यतो आपल्याला कमी ठिकाणी ऑफर्स मिळतात आणि खरंच हा मस्त लागतं. योगर्ट्समध्ये खूप ऑप्शन्स आहेत आपल्याला, की सगळे ब्रँड्स आपल्याला इथे मिळतात. सिमरन इज विथ मी. मी जेव्हा नेहमी इथल्या शॉपचं सगळ्यात वैशिष्ट्य, सिमरन नेहमी आपल्यासाठी असते आणि प्रत्येक कस्टमरशी ती तेवढ्याच छान ह्यानी बोलते. प्रत्येकाला क्वेरीज काही असतील तर ती तेवढ्याच सॉल्व करते. सिमरन, कॅन यू इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ?
Okay, hi, I'm Simran, and we are basically not from a business family, but
Okay.
it was something like, we were thinking of starting something, doing something in restaurant line.
Okay.
And then COVID happened.
Oh.
So it was, then we took a stock of the situation, that what do we need to do.
Okay.
So there were two sectors which were really, booming in the COVID, and that was FMCG and pharma.
Right.
So and
And
the
your
restaurant-
shop is also booming. Almost last 3 months it
Yes,
was started,
yes. I
right?
started on 22nd November.
Oh, great.
2020, and it's been 3 months
3
now.
months, and it been hit in 3 months.
Thank you, and we are just hoping that we keep on getting good response from people. Because we really had to do a good market survey
Right.
around here and understand what people need. And
Aun Maner people, please, I put Simran's number and shop location on our screen. Please check. Aun Baner Balewadi rather, and Pashan, right, Vishal Nagar.
Because this is very close
Close by,
those,
right.
people.
And plus point is it's very nearby to my home. So I'm a very regular customer of this shop.
So different things that we have over here is have some ice creams. These are Imoi ice creams.
But these are the different brand.
Yes, this is a new brand which is Imoi.
Okay.
And they have very lovely shapes and flavors.
Okay.
And the kids are really a big fan of these.
I would love to try this.
Yeah, the box itself is very inviting.
Right.
So these are
And these are the very different flavors in ice cream. Red velvet,
strawberry and cream,
Wow.
cherry bubblegum. So the thing is, as per the shop name, the Gourmet Pantry, we had to do something different from what is regularly
right.
available. So we really had to find. And
These
look
are
for
this is the USP of this
the
shop actually. Correct.
Yes. So from the regular ice creams, these are the artisanal ice creams,
Okay.
the gourmet ice creams which you can find in our shop. And
In regular shop we can't see these brand actually.
Yes. So and plus they have their jars also. So if you
Right.
have a family,
Family,
whole
right.
family to enjoy, they have very different flavors. So personally, this is a huge hit.
Oh, jamun sorbet. Wow.
Jamun sorbet, cold chocolate fudge. There's salted caramel. So there's almond chocolate fudge.
Wow.
So imagine
Summer is nearby, so
Nearby.
please
Yes.
everyone try this brand.
for your parties and all, if you have to make some cocktails and
Yes,
mocktails.
yes.
So
And this
these
is the
are-
very headache actually for
Yes,
making
yes.
these things.
So these are iceberg flavor.
Wow.
Again, these are gourmet artisan frozen mint cubes.
Right.
These are mixed.
So it's
cubes.
ready to.
Yes, just pour in your
Perfect,
drinks.
perfect.
Use these cubes. They are like this, and you're good to go. You
And
can-
we are not seeing any other shop this kind of. What's the price range of this product? Nearby 200, 300.
Yes, 200.
200 म्हणजे कॉकटेल बनवणं हे खरंच एक हेडॅक असतं आणि अशा रेडी गोष्टी आपल्याला इथे मिळतात. डू विजिट.
Thank you. So we have different variety of chocolates.
Chocolates, wide variety of
Wide variety of
chocolates, right?
chocolates. And
And
these
are they going to love this
Yes, and these are all international brands.
brands?
We have chocolates from Germany, we have from Switzerland, we
Wow.
have from
So we are not need to travel in COVID time for a chocolate.
yes, and these are in offer also, 1 plus
Oh,
1,
buy one get one.
buy
Right.
one get one.
Wow.
So my friend was traveling last year. She was traveling to Germany, and
Okay.
she got this after it chocolate for me. It's a mint chocolate.
Okay.
And I have been after her that you have to get huge box of me for me
But-
this chocolate. But bingo, we started the shop and we have this available now. I don't have to request anyone for chocolate anymore.
That's why I thought
Yes.
no need to travel
No
for
need to
chocolate.
travel. Then we have these probiotic chocolates.
Okay.
So nowadays everybody is becoming so conscious,
Conscious
about
of
their
health.
and
Right,
everything.
right.
So we have these two varieties of probiotic chocolates. These are like they have around 2 billion good bacteria, gut bacteria.
Okay.
And so even if the kids want to enjoy their chocolates. The mothers can now give it guilt free.
That is
So-
the plus point.
Yes, that is the plus point. So
Okay.
huge variety
of chocolates
and
there.
the kids will just
Oh,
go,
this is the different
yes,
jelly chocolate, but
jelly.
different.
We have like you know, you travel to Lonavala specifically for these jelly chocolates. But
Wow,
now,
and shapes are too good.
it's a good gifting
Options,
also
right.
yes.
These are the handmade premium quality jelly chocolates, right? Wow.
We have your regular affair also that everybody loves in
Loves
India,
it.
which is Dairy Milk and
Right.
Bourbon and Five Star
These
and
are the
everything.
yes.
But then apart from that, we have all
International brands are there, and your health option is also very nice,
So we have dedicated this space for health conscious people.
right?
So people who are who want
Diet
to avoid
conscious and
diet
avoid-
conscious.
right.
They want to avoid gluten in their diet
Right.
and all that.
Right.
But still want to have their snacks in between. Still want to enjoy and have some nice
Food, nice flavor, right?
So they can go for. We have choco chip cookies and gluten free. So imagine like
Yes,
you know,
yes.
crackers and so these are
Maybe Simran, this option is designed for me.
You're most welcome, Madhura. And sugar free for
Right,
all
right.
diabetic people and people who are getting conscious
about
their health.
sugar, right?
Yes. And these are again vegan free rice crackers, so you can have these interesting rice crackers. Make your interesting topping.
Won't be feel healthy food,
Yes,
right? Or
yes.
diet food.
So these are options wherein you can just make your
Make
own
own toppings, right?
And enjoy
Right,
your
right.
pizza.
Correct.
A healthy pizza version.
Please try these options also, and do visit this shop.
Then we have all your sugar-free variety.
Jaggery, different brands of jaggery.
Yes, and different ways of adding jaggery to your meal.
Right. थँक यू सो मच सिमरन, गिव्ह मी अ टाईम. ॲक्च्युली थँक्यू सो मच. अजून एक आपल्याबरोबर आपल्या वुमन्स डे सिरीजमध्ये वुमन एंटरप्रेनर आहे सिमरन आहुजा. मी तिच्या शॉपची लिंक, नंबर्स, लोकेशन आणि सगळ्यात प्लस पॉईंट आहे इथे आपल्याला खूप पार्किंग मिळते. नाव डेज इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट फॉर पार्किंग स्पेस इन औंध बाणेर एरिया, पण इकडे आपल्याला भरपूर मोठं पार्किंग आहे. सो प्लीज डू विजिट एव्हरीवन दिस शॉप. I give a location on our screen. I give a numbers of this shop, The Dairy Delight. Thank you so much, Simran.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure.